I'm going to today talk of the first episode of hashtag lockdown lessons. These lessons are going to be new things that I discovered about myself, about the world, about the environment, about everyone and anything, which basically helps us get much more motivated and much more practical in life, right? So today's lesson number 1 is actually going to talk about a thing that I think a lot of teenagers and all of us early 20 kids do, and that is not understanding the potentially important things and always trying to make an excuse of not doing a thing which actually has potentially a lot more importance in life. And on that note, welcome back to yet another video on my channel, A Caring Talk. The first most important thing that I was giving too much of excuse to, and that was only and always I would be the one hearing my parents, my elders and my family members and actually never understanding what those words meant. So let me give you a bit of a backstory. I come from a family of working people, 24/7. My grandmother till the very much age of her retirement was working. My parents, they had their work from homes to do even in the lockdown. And I know what really a hard-earned money work means. And of course, I did value whatever little time, despite of their busy schedules, I would get with my parents when I was a younger kid. But I think eventually, as we keep on growing up, we have so much to achieve, so much to know, and so much to understand कि हम कहीं ना कहीं इन सब relations को और इन सब emotions को पीछे छोड़ जाते हैं. So, in this lockdown, my family did a very special and important thing that we would do every weekend, because my parents still had work from home to do on regular weekdays. So every weekend what we would do is we would sit down and watch some 80s, 70s or even 60s wale time ki any old classic movie of my parents' wish or my grandmother's wish, and then would come out stories of, because I've mentioned it so many times, I come from Jammu and Kashmir state, and there were a lot of old Hindi movies which would back at that time get shot there, right? Because it was like the Switzerland and UK for India then, because it's so beautiful, of course. So my grandmother, she would come up with these crazy stories of this particular shooting that she had seen when she was in the women's college, and my dad would tell me about the first movie that he ever saw as a kiddo and how he would remember it. And my mother had stories of her women's college days when there would be shootings done around with the lead actresses and stuff like that. And all those conversations made me actually understand that every time mom and dad say that, do you have a bit of time, let's just go somewhere out, or don't go out with your friends, just stay home today. It's these little moments when your parents actually tell you to do that, but then you're like, no, I have a friend's party and no, it's important and stuff like that. These are the little moments of be with you that they want. Whenever you just sit and listen down to these little stories from them, it means the world to them. The second most important thing that I learned in this lockdown is I stopped being lazy. And if I had a to-do list, I have to achieve it, and I have to achieve it in the timeline that I have planned it to be. Now, I've told this thing many a number of times. I had so much to do in this lockdown, and yet I had this little time to do YouTube and do Instagram and stuff like that. But with so much going on, sometimes, because it was lockdown and we all know कि यार आज नहीं तो कल कर लेंगे, कोई बात नहीं, अभी 2 ही बजे हैं, आज तो कहीं जाना नहीं है, अब तो कहीं जाना नहीं है, तो 2 बजे नहीं तो 4 बजे नहीं तो 5 बजे कर लेंगे, अभी एक नेटफ्लिक्स की मूवी देख लेता हूँ या देख लेती हूँ, अभी ये सीरीज का एपिसोड खत्म कर लेता हूँ या कर लेती हूँ, पक्का उसके बाद पढ़ लूंगी, काम कर लूंगी. कभी नहीं होता है वो. दिस इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट थिंग्स दैट आई लर्नड इन दिस लॉकडाउन. आपकी जो टू डू लिस्ट है, अगर आपको कुछ इस टाइम पे करना है तो उसी टाइम पे करना है बॉस. अब टाइम निकल जाता है, नहीं पता चलता. नो वंस गोना कम एंड डू योर जॉब फॉर यू, right? If you have something to do and you have planned something to do and it's in your to-do list कि आपको ये काम करना है और ज़रूरी करना है, तो वो आप ही कर सकते हो. उसको लेके excuses देना बंद कर दो. Deciding if I have a to-do list, I have it in my planner that I need to do these things at this particular point in time, I should do that, because the only problem with the lockdown was there was so much of time कि हम उसको let go करते जा रहे थे कि बाद में हो जाएगा. बाद में कभी कुछ नहीं होता है, चाहे लॉकडाउन हो या ना हो. The third most important lesson is for people who say मेरे पास तो कुछ करने को ही नहीं है तो मैं क्या करूं? पीपल हु डू नॉट हैव एनी टू डू लिस्ट, जिनके हिसाब से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस खत्म हो गई है, वेकेशंस चल रही है, चाहे स्कूल गोइंग किडोज हो या कॉलेज गोइंग हो, जो भी हो, कि अब तो मेरे पास कुछ करने को नहीं है तो मैं वेला बैठा हूं या वेली बैठी हूं. व्हाट डू आई डू इन लाइफ? Guys, pick up a new hobby. Do something exciting that you never planned or ever thought कि आप अपनी life में करोगे. Because guess what? This lockdown is something which is the perfect time to get to know the things that you might have never thought that you would potentially end up doing in your life. Like, I never thought I would become a motivational speaker and be giving all these, making all these videos, talking about personal mental health, talking about so many things on my Instagram handle, being a writer there and posting motivational shairis and quotes, which in case you guys haven't seen, you need to go and check on my Instagram handle. So doing all these things, I never planned that I would be doing them. Hell, I never knew that I had the potential to do them. I always knew that I was a good spokesperson, I was always a good speaker, I was always a good orator, but I never knew that I would basically club that with something which has a lot of importance and make a caring talk. So it's fine in case you do not plan to do what you plan to do, right? But it's equally important that in case you have nothing to do, that you start planning to do something which is different, which has potential in the future life. Go check that out for yourself. So at the end of this video, I have just one thing to say. I talked in this video about all the kinds of things which I felt gave me a lot of reason to get to know and understand myself better and actually let go of the excuses that I was otherwise making in life. Because this, my friends, happens to be potentially the number one lesson that I learned in my lockdown. In case you guys have some fun stories to share, let me know about them in the comment section below. As I always say, until my next video, keep smiling, stay positive. Cheers out to you all. See you very soon. Bye.